Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to healing children. And this is a really powerful topic because a lot of people get stuck when it comes to healing their children or having children with issues. But the key is everything is really easy to heal, and it's important to understand that because everything that happens on a physical level has an emotional cause. When you deal with the emotions, you allow the physical to change, and that is really important. So what we're going to do is teach you how to live without having any oaths, vows, or contracts to heal your children. Teach you how to live without having any oaths, vows, or contracts to save your children. And we'll release any soul contracts that you've got to heal your children, and release your children from any soul contracts of having to be healed by you. We're also going to teach you what it feels like to have confidence in healing your children, and that it's safe and possible for you to heal your children. That you can do powerful belief work on your children and allow them to heal. And knowing how to allow yourself to be disconnected emotionally from your children's issues. Knowing that you can actually be empowered to help them, and allowing yourself to be in the right space to be able to give them the best help that you can at this point in time. The other thing we want to do is teach you what it feels like to be confident in doing healings on children. Teach you what it feels like to be confident in doing healings on yourself, and teach you how to recognize when an issue is yours and not your child's, and knowing how to work on yourself quickly and easily, knowing how to trust that you can work on yourself quickly and easily, and that you can get to the bottom beliefs quickly and easily for your issues and for your children's issues. And also what we're going to do is teach you what it feels like to trust the Creator will guide you when it comes to working on your children. Trust the Creator will guide you when it comes to working on yourself, and knowing that you can allow yourself to heal and your children to heal and your whole family to heal in a loving and easy way, and that it's safe and possible for you and your family to be totally healthy. So if you'd like those downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them. Okay, the other thing that we want to do there too is teach you what it feels like to be patient with yourself in your healing journey, and teach you what it feels like to be patient with yourself in your child's healing journey, and what it feels like to have patience with your children in their healing journey, and knowing how to accept where your child is at, knowing how to recognize when you can help them and how much you can help them. Okay. And also knowing the difference between your issues and your children's issues. And we'll teach you how to live without having to take on your children's issues to heal them or save them. Okay. Cool. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends and family, people that you think can benefit from it, because the downloads there are really powerful and will really help you get started in making really positive changes in your life. So this is really phenomenal work. Theta Healing is so powerful, and changing your beliefs, digging on your issues is just really incredible in making the changes that you desire in your life. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you soon.